They provide us this headset. I-connect nyo yung headset dito. We are on the way now. We are currently here pala at St. Joseph's Cathedral in Hanoi. Spaghetti, our favorite. Tom yarn. Hanoi beer.
Beer from Hanoi.
Cheers. Oh! Sleeper train. We're waiting for our Grab car to arrive and someone's about to poop. Hey besties, good afternoon. It's currently 2:33 here in Hanoi and kaka-start pala ng aming day 1 talaga. So, chill itinerary lang naman. We have bus tour. So, right now pala is kakain kami dito. Ayan, first order of business namin dito. No, not actually first kasi kagabi pala nag-banmi kami. So, kami. Phone noodles. Ayan. Ito yung order ko. Tapos, ito raw kam dyan. Ayan. So, katapat lang siya ng aming accommodation. So, try namin itong Pokoy. So, yan yung accommodation namin. Katapat lang talaga siya. And so, let's go! Ito yung mga menu nila. Ayan. In all fairness, no? Mura sila talaga. Ito yung in-order ko. Ito. Tapos, kay John is... Ano? Ito. Fried steamed rice and chicken with mushroom, barbecue sauce. Oh, maglumi-lumi mo. Guys, mabubudol talaga kayo dito. Tingnan niyo yung beer nila, guys. 25. Wow. Ang water, guys, 10k lang. Tapos, kailangan ko Coca-Cola Sprite 20k. So, i-convert natin to, guys, ha. Ito. 20k. Try natin mag-convert. So, 20k. So, around 46 pesos. Di ba parang nasa Pinas lang? Then, yung ano nila, smoothie. Let's say 40. Ay, joke. So, mga 92 lang, di ba? So, atin, more or less mga 150. So, we are waiting na lang for our order. Yan. We are so excited to eat. The shake is here. Isang glass lang. Share lang kami ni John. Tipid tips. Mas tipid tips. Food is here, guys. Ito yung steamed rice with mushroom chuchu. Hey, hey. Then the po. Let's eat. Order ulit kami. Ito. Deep fried tofu for only 40k. So, let's go. In fairness, masarap. Maraming ano, guys. Mga ganito lang. Gulay-gulay, no? Hindi tinipid. If you are not really into mga veggies, guys, yung parang mga beans na kuan veggies, no? Well, I don't know if you will like it kasi so far talaga, guys, ang marami talaga niya. And ako kasi, mahilig ako, so masarapan. Oo, kaming dalawa, mahilig kami. So, ayun. Ano siya, plus point sa amin. Pero if you're not into sa mga ganito, parang, hindi nyo bet. Okay, parang ang dami yung isang tabi na mga gulay. Parang more on organic food sila dito, guys. So far, yan muna yung observe namin. Guys, tingnan nyo. Ngayon ko lang na-observe talaga. Tingnan nyo kung ano karaming chili. Tingnan nyo. Super fresh. Tapos ang dami niya. Shalo. Kung hangon kag sili, ami mo dali. Hey guys, ito na yung deep fried tofu. Ayan. So, tingnan nyo guys. Oh, ang dami talagang gulay. So, if you're not into that one, medyo marami kayong gulay na isa sa tabi. Nandito yung mga deep fried. So, healthy nila, no? From fried, meron siyang gulay para balance. That's the key to life. Balance.
Madam?
Huh? Love it. Hey besties, ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. So right now is nag-wait na lang kami sa Grab car namin. Kasi pupunta kami dun sa Hanoi Opera House kasi dun yung parang meet up or something para sa aming bus tour. So mag-grab na lang kami, parang 38,000 dong yung babayaran namin. Ay, interview natin si John. How was your experience sa ating first meal? No, not really first meal, but first restaurant na kinainan natin dito sa Hanoi.
Super fresh yung gulay nila, tapos sobrang sarap, tapos mabigat sa tiyan.
Ha?
Ang dali ko nabusog.
Sobrang busog guys, in fairness, no?
Tsaka yung serving nila, napakarami.
As in, no? Oo, yun yung na-observe namin na napakarami. Ayan, meron na kaming Grab car. So, hihintayin na lang namin siya. Yung review ko naman doon sa kinainan namin is masarap siya guys. More on gulay talaga dito. So, if you're not into that one, parang I don't know if you would like it kasi ano siya, parang hindi nyo bet talaga for sure if you are not into mga veggies, no? Yun yung masasabi ko kasi hindi talaga tinipid yung mga veggies nila guys. Tapos yung servings din ng mga foods nila is so far sa first namin na kinainan is marami talaga siya. And sobrang busog na busog. Parang inulit ko lang yung sinabi ni John. Okay, so after the next adventure, let's go! Guys, update. It's currently 4:08 and we're still here and our Grab is still not here. Kasi, ano siya, pang tatlo na yata ito na driver. Parang medyo traffic pala dito, no? Pero sana ito na talaga siya. Ano naman, 4 minutes away yung driver. Sana ito na. Our Grab car is here already. Let's go. Hello. Good afternoon. Hey besties, ayan, nandito na kami sa Hanoi Opera House. Dito daw yung parang pick up ng aming hop-in tour. Ayan siya, oh, nakikita na namin siya. Tingnan nyo. Yan. So yan yung sasakyan namin later. Ayan, double deck. Wow. By the way, nabook namin siya sa Klook. So if ever nabook nyo rin siya sa Klook, hanapin nyo lang ito, yung signage na ito. Wait. Ayan. Dito lang siya malapit sa Hanoi Opera House. Ito na store na ito is yan yung hahanapin nyo if nakabook kayo sa Klook and all for sightseeing. Hello? We already have ticket. This one? Okay, thank you. So, ayan guys, meron na kaming parang schedule ng aming tour. So, 4:45 daw siya. So, currently, it's 4:26 pa man. So, we have more or less mga 30 minutes na hahantayin para mag-sightseeing tour. So, mag-chill lang kami dito sa parang park nila. Oh. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Wow. Nauno.
Takyan bro.
Ay! Kuya! So ayan besties, we are waiting na lang for our bus na mag-open para makasakay na tayo. So it's currently 4:38, so we have like 10 minutes to wait na lang for our sightseeing tour. We choose na sa first day namin siya gagawin para sa first day talaga namin malalaman kung ano yung mga i-offer sa Hanoi mismo. Thank you. Okay, so pwede na pala tayo sasakay. And so sa taas tayo para may view. Let's go. Sa first na, baby? As in? Front seat?
Yes.
Oh! Yay! Sa front seat tayo! Let's go! We did it! So yan guys, we choose na lang here. So kung sa harap tayo parang ano siya, parang super...
Parang nasa aquarium tayo.
Aquarium bug. Ano siya, parang mas okay siya na sa medyo siguro third seat, ganyan. Or fourth, second, pwede din. Parang sa first kasi parang ang lapit natin, wala tayong parang ganito na view, oh. Char! Oh, daming arte, ah. Okay, so we're waiting na lang. Oh, parang tingnan nyo guys yung sa front seat, oh. Parang nasa aquarium daw. Gaga. Ayan. Hey besties, ayan, nasa taas na kami ng bus. So, they provide us this headset. Ayan. So, each passenger is merong headset, individual headset. So, i-connect nyo yung headset dito. Tapos, merong settings na yan. Volume up, ganun. Or if you want volume down, meron ding option. So, ayan. We are on the way now. Ayan guys, nandito tayo sa Hokiam Lake. Ayan siya. Ayan guys, medyo ma-traffic ng konti. Yung mga buildings sila, medyo old style, pero aesthetic, no? Parang there's beauty in it. Next stop natin is Vietnamese Military Museum. So yan yung next stop na pupuntahan. Next stop pala namin na sightseeing tour. As you all know naman, no, grabe din yung pinagdaanan ng mga Vietnamese para manalo sila sa war. World War II?
Vietnam War.
I mean, Vietnam War pala. So, very historic talaga to place na to. So, sana one of these days mapuntahan namin to. So, yes, we will because history is his favorite subject. Parang more on lakes din sila dito, no? Hey besties! Ayan, nakababa na kami sa aming 1 hour na sightseeing tour. And right now is, dito kami sa labas. Lutang kami. Right now is naglalakad lang kami guys. Papunta sa Hanoi Cathedral yata yun. Oo. Actually dun talaga yung binabaan namin, pero ano lang, sa bus stop lang. So medyo malayo ng konti, kaya naglalakad kami para babalik doon sa cathedral. Kasi yan talaga yung gusto din namin puntahan on our first day. Kasi we just want to thank God for the opportunity to travel, di ba? Thank you so much, Lord, for all the blessings. So right now, papunta na kami doon. Ang ganda talaga ng vibes ng Hanoi. I think here. Oo. Yes! Oh my God! Nakilig. Parang nakita ko lang to sa mga pictures and videos. Right now, yes, kami na yung nandito. Bonjour! Pareho ito magkuhan. Target yung nakitaan. Yung reviews pala namin guys doon sa sightseeing tour. Oh, ka-cute sa ero. Sa sightseeing tour is a must try nyo guys if you are visiting here in Hanoi, kasi sobrang ganda niya. Ang sulit na 1 hour sightseeing tour. Tapos ano siya, sulit talaga siya. Tapos yung bayad is hindi ganun kamahal. Kaya a must try nyo para you will get to know more of Hanoi talaga. As in, sobrang ganda ng mga historical na pinakita nila sa amin. Tapos yung mga behind it, parang ang lawak ng mga meaning dito sa Hanoi, no? Oh my God, thank you Lord. Ayan, we're here na. Yay! Ayan guys. Yay! We're here na sa cathedral. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa cathedral. I don't know if it's open. Parang hindi, no? Oh, thank you so much, Lord. Oh, finally! Makahilak mo na tayo, char. Finally, nandito na tayo. Oh, it's so nice. Parang ano siya, no? Parang European style.
European style?
No? Amazing. Tingnan niyo yung nasa, ano ko, likuran ko. Oh, di ba parang nasa, ano ko, Paris. Parang nasa Europe, no? I love it. So nice. We are currently here pala at St. Joseph's Cathedral in Hanoi. Yung parang architectural design niya is parang siyang sa Notre Dame de Paris. Parang yan yung resemblance niya, no? Tapos yun, tingnan nyo. Ayan, no? Nice. The church was one of the first structures built by the colonial government of French Indochina when it opened in December 1886. And is the oldest church in Hanoi. Yan yung sinabi dito sa Google. Wow. So Mass is celebrated. Meron din silang Sunday Mass 6 p.m. Pero apparently guys, right now it's closed, no? Can't go inside, so most probably every Sunday lang siguro siya open. And also, ito yung makikita nyo besides sa St. Joseph Cathedral, maraming kainan dito guys, tingnan nyo. Ayan o, maraming mga food choices if ever nagutom na kayo. So, yan. So, yung famous na Kong Cafe, nandyan pala. So, right now guys is maghahanap kami ng pwedeng kainan. Actually guys, meron din Popeyes at saka Burger King. How to pronounce? Popeyes. At saka meron ding Burger King dito. Ayan siya. So, malapit lang siya sa St. Joseph's Cathedral. Ayan. Oh my God, my favorite spaghetti! Yung order namin guys is yung combo twinkle. So, 179,000 Vietnamese dong yung babayaran natin. So, that's good for 2 already. So, basically guys, parang ano pala siya, no? Tayo yung mag-serve ng ating drinks. So, meron siyang parang sa 7-Eleven dito na ganyan, no? Diyan kayo kukuha ng drinks. They will provide you lang some cup and saka straw. So, tayo yung kukuha. Let's go. Sa akin is yung Fanta kasi I don't know if it's, ano na siya, soft drinks, gyapon na siya. Oh, soft drinks. Kasi guys, ano siya, fun fact pala. Sure, fun fact. I've been deleting soft drinks and coffee in my life na since September 2024. So that's been around September, October, November, December. So that's been 4 months na pala akong walang soft drinks at saka coffee. So na-achieve ko yun, and I don't know if Fanta is a soft drinks, pero parang siyang orange drinks siya. Wala tayong choice kasi part siya sa combo. So parang siyang royal pala, no? Oh my God. Hey besties, ayan, nandito kami sa itaas ng Popeyes. So first time namin pala kumain ito, no? Kasi wala to sa Cebu eh. So, our food is here na. Ito na yung aming order guys. So we have here spaghetti ito. Tapos ito is parang salad, something lang siya. Kala ko soup siya or yung parang corn soup, ganyan. So apparently, ano pala siya, veggie salad. Tapos, tingnan nyo, meron din kaming parang chicken pops. Pero ang liit, no, ng portions. And yung spaghetti, parang ang liit din. Parang hindi to kasya namin. Kasi guys, I so love pasta. And then, we also have here, ooh, what's this? Ayun, our favorite chicken. Ayan lang. So, we have here drinks. That's it, everyone. Spaghetti, our favorite. Ba't wala to sa Cebu, no?
Wala yung plantation.
Parang it's a sign. Char! Hilasun. What's this? What's this? Not bad. Dami. Parang ang sarap pa rin nung Jollibee. Jolly spaghetti. Wala pa rin tatalo.
Sabi.
Oo. Of course, chicken. Pero ano no, parang medyo magastos tong dinner namin. Pero it's okay, nakatipid namin kami sa lunch natin. Or yung breakfast na lang kasi wala kami binayaran. Yung lunch kasi is parang 200,000. 200,000 and hindi 200,000 Vietnamese dong, pero dalawa na kami. 30 pala. So itong lahat pala is 179,000 Vietnamese dong. So I'll just put the conversion somewhere here for your future reference. Combo na siya. Good for 2 person.
Hong Kong.
Kung i-compare mo sa Hong Kong, guys, yung 200 pesos mo or let's say 300 pesos na meal, busog ka na dito. Sa Hong Kong, ano lang siya?
Tapos ka pa.
One set meal na parang sa 7-Eleven, tapos tubig lang yan. Kung gaano kamahal yung Hong Kong, guys, ganito naman kamura dito sa Vietnam. So come here na. Pero good deal dun yung Hong Kong. Pero ano lang siya, parang we are not the target market, char. Kasi talaga, mahal, no? As in. Pero nag-enjoy naman kami sa 7-Eleven, siguro. Gamay. Kung lang, good ka ng pricey. Or maybe because sa 7-Eleven kami sa airport na bumili, baka it's one of the factor din. Baka mas pricey din kasi nasa airport na 7-Eleven. Gutom yan.
Grabe ko talaga. First time kita.
First time, no? Parang sarap, guys. Or gutom lang. Ang sarap kasi ng yung sauce.
White cheese.
Yung, white cheese daw. White cheese. Pero ang sarap na yung combination, tapos medyo spicy ng konti. Not bad. Masarap talaga kasi naubos ko yung chicken na bonggang-bongga. Last bite. Kasi ubos na din. Hey besties, ayan, tapos na kaming kumain doon sa Popeyes. Guys, in fairness, no, yung daanan, yung street o yung every corner talaga dito is sobrang aesthetic, guys. If you're into photography, Hanoi is a place for you. As in, yung mga coffee shop nila parang ang ganda, tapos meron pang flower shop na ang ganda din. Basta, uy! No? Basta nindot jud siya, guys, as in. So, if you really love photography and ganyan, you will definitely enjoy here. And ang ganda din kasi tingnan sa mata. So right now, we are walking para papunta sa Main Street, strolling around here in Vietnam. I love the weather. Tingnan nyo, guys, another sobrang ganda na store. Tapos yung katapat niya, ang ganda din. Ayan, no? Very maliwanag, no? Ayan. Diba? Ito yung mga places talaga na nakakaganda din sa Hanoi. Tingnan nyo yung nagawa dito sa Hanoi, guys, oh. They water talaga the plants, no? Parang they really love nature. They take good care of the nature. Tingnan nyo. Watering the plants, which is amazing. Ayan, ginaganyan talaga yung whole street ng Vietnam. I mean sa Hanoi. I don't know if same ba siya sa other cities dito sa Vietnam. Pero amazing, uy! Like, wow! They really love Mother Nature. Parang common dito sa Vietnam yung kakain lang sa labas kasi meron parang ganyan o upuan. So meron silang alfresco talaga na style na pwede kayong tatambay dyan sa labas lang, na dyan kayo kakain. Parang siya, nakaka-local feel vibes. Ayan, guys, oh, we are still googling. Google is the key lang talaga. So far, parang nasa right direction naman kami. Ayan, oh, parang ganito. Wow, amazing. Yung ganito, guys, oh. Ayan, diba? My besties, ayan, we did it. Okay. Oh boy! Yes, we did it! Nandito tayo sa Hanoi Train Street. Ayan. So, hahanap tayo ng magandang pwesto. Ayan. So, ganito yung vibe niya. Wow! Amazing, guys. Hey besties, we finally settled in here na sa Train Street. We are staying at Railway Tuan Cafe. So ito yung forma niya, guys. Ayan. Meron dyan. Tapos meron din dito kung saan kami nagstay lang. Ayan. Very ano talaga dito guys, very aesthetic, no? So yung in-order lang namin is drinks, kay John is Hanoi beer, tapos sa akin naman is banana smoothie kasi kakakain lang namin doon sa Popeyes. We are so busog. Pero guys, we are so proud of ourselves kasi ano, from St. Joseph Cathedral, then pumunta kami sa Popeyes, tapos pumunta kami sa Train Street, or Hanoi Train Street, is linakad lang namin yun. And we didn't get lost. For the first time, we didn't get lost, Char. We are so proud of ourselves. So, Google is the key lang talaga. So, ayan, our drinks is here. Wow, thank you. And banana smoothie. Cheers, everyone. Wow. Cheers, cheers.
Hanoi beer.
Wow, Hanoi beer.
Beer from Hanoi.
Cheers. Wow. Look, refreshing. Eh? Solid. Amazing. By the way guys, it's currently 8:29 p.m. So, I guess my train pang dadaan at around 9:20 pa. So, more or less, meron pa kaming 1 hour dito. Baka hihintayin namin. Oh, of course, uy, we should wait, no? It's 50 minutes na lang bitaw. We'll just relax here and take a picture because this is one of the tourist attraction din dito sa Hanoi. Hey besties, so yeah, the train is coming na daw. Let's go! Ang 10 minutes late yung train, guys. Almost there. Let's go.
Everybody be careful there.
Oh! Oh my god! Let's go! Wow! Okay guys, the show is over. Yun lang. Where's the Tansan? Guys, good news. May another train daw na darating. Yay! Train is here. Ay, di mo din train eh. Kung ano man yun eh, cargo. Parang cargo lang pala yung ano guys, dumating. Hindi aesthetic, Char. Take 3 guys, another train. Ano guys, stepping. Oh, sleeper train. Sleeper train. From ano siya guys, sleeper train. Wow. Hey besties, tapos na yung train na show. Char. So ayun, babalik na kami sa aming accommodation. Baka mag-ano lang kami guys. Mag-grab siguro. Hey besties, ayan. Habang naglalakad kami, may nakita kami magandang cafe. Ayan, dito siya. Tingnan nyo ito. So, we will probably stay here a bit kasi lubat na yung phone ko and wala kaming means of communication para makabook ng Grab. So, eto kasi may parang charger or outlet sila. So, baka dito muna kami. So, dukaan na muna! So, dito muna kami. Ayan, meron naman sila mga matcha latte, ganyan. So, yan na lang yung order namin. Let's go! Para lang to charge. Strawberry matcha latte. 1. That's all.
That's all?
Yeah. So, yung in-order ko is strawberry matcha latte. Tapos kay John is yung original oolong bubble tea. So, we are waiting na lang for our order. So, dito is marong saksakan lang for outlet. Ayan. So, nakapag-charge muna ako. Yan, our drinks is here. I have a strawberry matcha latte since I don't drink coffee. And sadly, hindi ko nakita yung tea pala. Meron palang oolong tea. Ayan, ito, grinab ni John kasi miss daw niya yung Taiwan na oolong tea. Ayan, ito sa kanya.
From Taiwan.
Of course. Ayan, our view. Tingnan nyo yung view namin. How was it? Can I have this? Ang sarap. Okay, now it's my turn. Let's try this one. In fairness, guys, masarap din. Wow. Hi besties, update. So, we are waiting for our Grab car to arrive and someone's about to poop. May nakalagay dyan sa taas dyan ng Jeremy. Parang, you are what you wear. Char. Medyo mahirap yung ano dito guys, yung pag-book ng Grab car. I don't know why. Siguro medyo ma-traffic sa Old Quarter. I don't know. And it's currently 11 PM na and I'm so dead battery again. And tomorrow pupunta pa kami sa Sapa. So that's another long journey. Kasi it's a 6 hours sleeper bus ride from Hanoi to Sapa. So guys, wait na lang kami sa aming Grab car. I'll see you guys sa hotel. Hey besties, ayan, nasa room na kami. And it's been a bit long day, no? So, first yung ginawa namin is nag-sightseeing tour kami sa Hanoi talaga mismo. So, it's a must try when you are visiting here in Hanoi. Kasi ano siya, parang it's a bit refreshing, you know, na makapag-explore or you will get to know more of the place. Tapos, the history of the place that you visit. So, ano siya, parang magandang experience din. And then, next is pumunta kami dun sa St. Joseph's Cathedral. Malapit lang yata siya sa One Cam Lake. So, hindi pa talaga kami nakapag-stay talaga or nakapag-chill sa One Cam Lake. Dumaan lang kami dun nung sumakay kami nung sightseeing tour bus. After nung St. Joseph's Cathedral tayo is kumain tayo sa Popeyes. And then, after that one is pumunta tayo sa train street market or Hanoi Train Street. So, good thing guys is na hanap namin siya by using only Google. So, it's a bit helpful naman yung Google, no? Sometimes lang nilito tayo pero so far naman yung experience namin going there is tama naman yung ginawa namin. Or tama naman yung daan na binigay ni Google. Maganda din naman siya na experience actually. It's a bit refreshing, especially if you are from Cebu kasi, you know, walang train sa Cebu, guys. And then, maganda yung train street kasi maraming cafe, marami din parang beer and restaurant doon. Another aesthetic place to visit. Kahit nasa tourist spot siya, hindi siya ganun ka mahal din. So, that's also plus points when you are here in Vietnam, guys. Promise guys, if you are here in Vietnam, parang every time nalilingon ka, parang mabubudol ka na. You want to try that food because it's so, mura lang talaga siya. So, that's also one of the nagustuhan namin dito sa Vietnam. Tapos, yung yung Grab car, based on our experiences, medyo mahirap siyang i-book. Sometimes, nagka-cancel yung driver. Sometimes naman, parang malayo siya from our pick-up point. So, parang ang hirap talaga niya i-book. Sometimes, it take us like 5 to 10 minutes bago may driver na makakuha sa aming booking. Ganon. Siguro, if you want to try Grab bike, maybe you can do that. So, sa amin kasi, you just want to book a Grab car since dalawa kami. And para feel namin kasi if Grab car, mas safe siya. So, yun lang. So far naman, we love Hanoi. Parang another favorite city na namin yung Hanoi. So, tomorrow pala is pupunta tayo sa Sapa. So, that's around 6 hours na a sleeper bus ride going there. So, maybe around 11 AM, mag-check out na kami dito sa Hanoi Traveler House. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you so much for joining us with our first day here in Vietnam. And I'll see you in our next vlog. Bye!